Have you ever heard about AI and the incredible ways it's transforming our world? Electric light bulb. What if you could use AI to create YouTube videos without needing any editing skills? Welcome to Fliki.ai World, your go-to channel for discovering powerful AI tools that help you create content faster and more effectively. In today's video, I'll guide you through heavy checkmark what AI is and how it works. Heavy checkmark the steps to sign up for a Fliki.ai account. Heavy checkmark how to use Fliki.ai to craft professional quality videos in just minutes. Loudspeaker. Make sure to watch until the end, where I'll share some bonus tips to make your videos even more engaging. What is AI? Artificial intelligence. AI is a technology that mimics human intelligence to automate tasks such as heavy checkmark natural language processing, e.g., ChatGPT, Google Assistant. Heavy checkmark image and voice recognition, e.g., Face ID, Siri. Heavy checkmark content creation, e.g., Fliki.ai, DAL times E. Pushpin. How AI is used in content creation. Convert text to video with realistic AI voices. Film. Easily create YouTube videos, TikTok clips, and Instagram Reels. Speaker. With 3 sound waves automatically generate voiceovers without recording. Right pointing backhand index. Fliki.ai is one of the most powerful AI tools that lets you do all of this. First, you need to visit the homepage. Step 1. Visit the website. Open your browser and go to Fliki.ai. The registration link is provided in the description of this video. Click on the Sign Up button. Outgoing email symbol. Step 2. Create an account. You can sign up using either your email or your Google account. Enter your details and verify your account through email. Once registered, you'll see the main dashboard of Fliki.ai. Electric light bulb tip. Signing up with Google is faster and doesn't require a password. After entering your Gmail and clicking on account confirmation, check your inbox again to verify and enter the code in the verification section on the homepage. Next, enter your password. Remember to use a strong password to secure your account. Confirm your password and click on Register to complete your account registration. Clapperboard. Step 1. Create a new video project. Click on New File, select Video. Enter a title for your video, e.g., How to use Fliki.ai. Choose the language and AI voice that best fits your content. Memo. Step 2. Add video content. Type or paste your script into the text box. Fliki will automatically generate an AI voiceover. Adjust pitch, speed, and tone to match your style. Camera with flash. Step 3. Add images and video clips. Fliki suggests relevant visuals based on your script. You can also upload your own media. Drag and drop clips to arrange them in your desired order. Musical notes. Step 4. Add background music and effects. Choose from Fliki's royalty-free music library or upload your own. Adjust the background music volume to ensure it doesn't overpower the narration. Right pointing black triangle. Step 5. Preview and export your video. Preview your video and make any necessary changes. Click Export to download the video or publish it directly to YouTube. Keycap. 5 pro tips for creating more engaging videos. Pushpin 1. Use the most natural AI voice. Fliki offers various voice options. Pick the one that best matches your content. Pushpin 2. Add high-quality visuals. Professional-looking images and videos will enhance your content's appeal. Pushpin 3. Include subtitles for accessibility. Many viewers watch videos without sound. Subtitles will make your content more engaging. Pushpin 4. Export videos in full HD. Higher resolution ensures your video looks sharp and professional on YouTube.
With running, fuel your fitness journey. Running isn't just exercise, it's freedom, clarity, and power. Each step strengthens not only your body, but also your mind. Whether you're chasing goals or simply clearing your head, running transforms challenges into accomplishments. It's not just miles, it's moments that shape your spirit. Every runner has a story. Early mornings, sweat pouring down, and that unmatched feeling of crossing a finish line. It's about showing up and pushing forward. No matter your pace or skill, you're part of a global community united by determination. Celebrate the spirit that keeps us all moving. Running improves endurance, boosts mental health, and builds resilience. It's not just about physical results, it's about becoming stronger within. On the trail or the pavement, there's no rush like the runner's high. Running doesn't just change your body, it empowers your entire mindset. This is your sign to lace up and hit the ground running. Every step you take is progress worth celebrating. Share your love of running with others. Tag a friend, post your progress, and embrace the journey. Let's build strength, confidence, and joy, one stride at a time. Start today.
Clapping hands sign. Now you know how to use AI to create YouTube videos effortlessly. Loudspeaker. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Ken AI World for more AI tutorials. Speech Balloon. Have questions or want me to introduce another AI tool? Drop a comment below. Fire. See you in the next video.